Happy New Year's, friends. We have officially made it to 2020. I am overjoyed that you have decided to spend a few moments of your day here with me while I share my New Year, New Me lookbook. Hope you enjoy. Okay, before we start, I just want to go ahead and preface really quick. Put this out there. I am in no way, shape, or form a professional makeup artist, and I am very sure that you are not going to learn, or I'm not going to be able to teach you any life changing technique whatsoever. My 9-year-old niece probably puts makeup on better than I do. I got that. I'm just here sharing my love and passion with you guys. We can learn together, we can grow together, and that's that. I just want to go ahead and just put that out there. But all the beauty products and cosmetics featured in the tutorial part of my New Year, New Me lookbook are brought to you by Always Me I. Always Me I is an online website that features many different beauty brands, cosmetics, skincare, accessories, and much more. And a lot of the products start out at only $1. Yes, you heard that correctly, $1. Always Me I offers brands such as Amore US, LA Colors, Amuse Cosmetics, She Makeup, and many more. Make sure you go on over to Always Me I. Check out their selection. You can take $20 or $30 and get a good amount of great products. And it's not just beauty and cosmetics. You can get stuff for the whole family. They have body care, they have hair accessories, hair tools, fun little gadgets and gizmos. They just have a great selection. Go on over, check them out. Looking good is not always about spending lots of money, and that is something I absolutely adore about Always Me I. They not only know that, they believe that, and that's actually their Instagram bio, and their Instagram page will be linked down below, so make sure you go show them some love. And the amazing kind folks over at Always Me I have been kind enough to sponsor a $50 e-card giveaway. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Check out the description box. That way you can get all the juicy details for your chance to win. So let's be crazy. The context, impact. I wanna daily. Our breath getting deeper, deeper lately. I like that baby, 'cause I can't get enough. 'Cause I can't get enough. Solita que entre, música para ponerla en ambiente, yeah. Ella quiere que lo hagamos como aquella vez, ya. Le busco otro trago por si tenía sed, de lo que se pone bonito se le ve. Empezamos. And that completes the first part, the tutorial of my New Year, New Me lookbook featuring Always Me I. And we are going to go on to the second and final part, which is also my favorite part, the fashion aspect of this lookbook, a very important part, might I add. And hold on, because here we go. I'm so happy to be featuring Nemers Boutique as the fashion focus of my lookbook. The wide brim hat, poncho, infinity scarf, leopard leggings, and the black knit scarf all added a touch of change, yet beauty and strength to all the outfits in my lookbook. I felt great. I looked like I was ready to take on the world, and I couldn't have done it without the help of Nemers Boutique. Their pieces are all one of a kind, unique, they're affordable. I love supporting a brand that truly does something for the community. Nemers Boutique gives back. During the holidays, they did beautiful things for their community. Go on over their Instagram. All their information will be in the description box below. Show them some love, and don't forget, do a little shopping while you're at it. Thank you so much, Always Me I, Nemers Boutique, for partnering with me for my New Year, New Me lookbook. Don't forget, check out the description box for all the details on how you can win the $50 e-gift card to Always Me I. And thank you so much for giving me a few moments of your time today. Happy New Year's, friends.